Hello and welcome to this daily message on Palm Sunday, or Passion Sunday, one of the most important Sundays in the church year. As we reflect on the meaning of this day, I want to call your attention to the procession of Jesus and his reception by the people of Jerusalem that we commemorate on this Palm Sunday. So we know that Jesus entered into Jerusalem riding on the back of a donkey, that the crowd spread their cloaks before him, that they waved palm branches, and that they said the word Hosanna, a word that is reserved for one who is their king. So why is Jesus on a donkey? Why are they spreading their cloaks out before him? Why are they waving palm branches? Why are they saying Hosanna? I think it has to do with the fact that at the same time as Jesus is entering into Jerusalem as a king, so would Pilate have been doing the same. He would have been entering Jerusalem from the other side of town. He would have been entering on the back of a horse or a donkey to much fanfare. He would have been coming to Jerusalem from his normal residence in Caesarea because it was Passover time. And so Pilate wanted to make sure that because there were so many Jews gathered in Jerusalem at Passover time, he was there to make sure that there were no uprisings, that there would be peace. And so these two processions show the great contrast between the kingship of Pilate and the kingship of Jesus. So Pilate came to bring peace, but he did so through the use of violence and brutality and oppression. Jesus, on the other hand, is a king who also brings peace, but he brings it through justice and through nonviolence. This is true peace. This is the peace that the people of Jerusalem are celebrating in the person of Jesus. And so for them, Jesus is their true king. Jesus is our true king as well. He is a king who brings peace to the world through us, not through violence, not through brutality and oppression, but through justice, through nonviolence. This is the true peace that we celebrate on this Palm Sunday. Jesus is the true King whose presence in the world, whose presence in our lives, we celebrate this Palm Sunday. Thank you for watching today. As we begin this Holy Week, I pray that each one of us can celebrate the Paschal Mystery, even though we're doing it at home. I pray that we can celebrate it in the true spirit of this week. Stay healthy, stay safe, have a great Sunday.